What we saw today in class to start was to go back to what we knew about finding the x-coordinate of any vertex, and we know that we could factor it, we could find the x-intercepts and then find halfway in between in order to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, and also the line of symmetry. But we also found that we can find that by using instead b over negative 2a, and that's going to do the same exact thing for us. And that's if we're in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is 4 over negative 2, and our a in this case is 1. So again, this was our a, this was our b, and this was our c. So this is 4 over negative 2 or negative 2. Then here's another case here. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6. So now we have b, which is 5, over negative 2 times 3, or 5 over negative 6. So this and this are both for each of these parabolas, these are the x-coordinates of the vertex. What we also found out today, or we used this equation of the y equals ax squared plus bx plus c to say that we can now create, with these 3 points, 3 equations with these 3 different variables, the a, the b, and the c, to figure out what the equation is. So we can just plug in different points. So for the first one, I know that this is my x and this is my y. So I could have an equation of 4 equals a times negative 3 squared plus b times negative 3 plus c. For this equation here, I could have 9 equals a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c. And then the last one I could have is this point here, where I'd say negative 6 equals a times negative 1 squared times b times negative 1 plus c. And then we can do is we can take these 3 equations, and we used elimination or substitution in order to solve for the a, the b, and the c. Once we get the a or the b or the c, we would just plug it back into this equation here, and we have the quadratic equation to describe the table.
Except for making me go to
R. What I would say also is that one of the things we talked about that was really helpful, I think, was that noticing that every single time we just have a c here. So this is really the variable you want to isolate. You want to be able to add or subtract 2 equations or pairs of equations so that the c's drop out. And then you're left with just an a and a b and 2 equations instead.